When your primary pet sitter is unavailable to do the job and you need to locate the backup pet sitter, you go to the client's account, pull up the client record, and the first thing you want to do is scroll down and look at sitter history. You will see here a list of all the jobs at a glance with the names of people who took care of this client. So if you have a pet sitter that already took care of this client before, and you know already that the client has met with that pet sitter and the backup pet sitter already has met the pets, your first choice would be to assign this job to one of the pet sitters in this sitter history section of the client's record. If none of the pet sitters have any history of the client, or if this client is somewhat of a recent client and had only one pet sitter that took care of them, you're going to click on View Map. It will pull up your client's map and will pull up other pet sitters' maps. And what you can do now, you can click of every pet sitter. So the green ones are the pet sitters, the yellow one is the client. So you can start clicking on those icons. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to publish the addresses here on this video, because clicking on this will show the address. So I'm not going to do it, but once you click on one of the pet sitters, you will see here pet sitter's name and the distance, how far away each pet sitter is from the client, and it will also pull up the directions for you. So that's a very good, easy way to view all available pet sitters in the area, and you can continue zooming out and see all the other pet sitters that are in the area that are available for you to step in as a backup. If none of the pet sitters are available for a specific client and you still have some time to hire somebody new, you'll click on Applicants link. An applicants link will list all the pet sitters who have applied for a pet sitting job. They're not your pet sitters yet. They're just applicants. That's somebody that submitted an application for you online. And in order to get that on this map, you need to link your pet sitting application to your website, and we'll go over that when we talk about your settings. But just to demo this feature for you, now you have a list of all the people who have been applying for jobs for you. You can start pulling up their names, how far away they're from this client. You can go by clicking on their name. You can also go straight to that pet sitter's application, so you can review what they wrote, and you can initiate interview process right away. And if you have a couple of days to hire somebody new, you can at least start interviewing them today and continue with your background check and everything else. But this is a very, very easy and streamlined way to get somebody lined up for a client that you need to take care of.